How to set up a PI on Janitor AI mobile. Follow my instructions. To make your Janitor AI bot actually respond, you need to connect it to a working API like OpenAI or Kobold. Here's how to set it up using just your phone. First, open your browser and go to janitorai.com. Log into your account. Once you're in, tap the three-line menu icon at the top right. From the list, tap API settings. Now choose OpenAI as your API provider. To get your OpenAI key, open a new tab and visit platform.openai.com. Log in and tap your profile picture. Copy the key that appears. Return to Janitor AI and paste that key into the OpenAI field. Tap Save or Apply to confirm. Now go to any AI character and send a message. If everything is correct, the bot should respond instantly. If it doesn't, check that your key was copied properly. Also, make sure your OpenAI account has credits or quota left. You've now connected Janitor AI to a live AI model right from your phone. Now enjoy fast, smart conversations on the go. Thanks for watching.